Good day, everybody. Um, I'm gonna try something different this week. So I've just been like 30 minutes looking at the screen, trying to think about this next workshop, which is about reputation management, trying to show you guys how you can build a reputation management system that you can automate that can give you more five-star Google reviews and all that stuff. But I'm thinking, I'll just invite you and just come along and I'll just show you. I'm going to try and just keep it more lazy style and see how that happens. But like not lazy from delivery point, but I'm just going to keep it more basic, I guess. So I'm not going to go and create all the fancy slides and I'll just talk and see what you guys think. I like to test stuff too. So we'll see. But yeah, basically here's the here's the picture. If you have a business and you are trying to get more leads and you are not building your Google My Business profile, you're not building five-star Google reviews, then you kind of missing the opportunities where they're at. Because if you already have customers, one of the best ways to get more customers is look after your current ones, and if you do, then you kind of earn your right to to ask for a review. And if you are getting a lot of five-star Google reviews, then it's just kind of like a no-brainer thing to then ask for a referral. And then if you are getting referrals, then you can repeat that process. So that's like the most easy way to get more business in a way. So I'd like to show you why this matters in more detail on the next workshop, and we can go through some numbers and things like that, stats and what's working for businesses. But ultimately, I want to show you on the inside of our platform and show you how easy it is to build your own automated reputation management system. I'm not just talking, like a way to ask for Google reviews. I'm talking about like a full end-to-end where you could focus more on what you do. Let's say if you're doing home services, maybe you're an electrician, maybe you're a plumber, maybe you sell cookies at a bakery store. I don't know. Just imagine, right? You just carry on doing the same stuff every day, and then all we're going to do is just plug in a little extra thing to the process that triggers off an automation. An automation that sends out a message to your customer right after they paid, which is like their most prime, right? They just paid, so they're most excited. Like, hey, how did we go? Would you mind let us know how we go? That allows you to keep the finger on the pulse. It's like a litmus test, right? And then if they say, yeah, it's great, then we can automate the whole thing. Send them out, a Google review request. They can respond to it, give you 5-star Google review. Now you got a review, and then here is the kicker. Nobody likes to go and respond to reviews. Like, it's just like another thing. So let's make sure you don't have to do that. Let me show you how you can do all that automatically. In this day and age, we have AI that can actually handle all it for you. So I'll show you all that. It's super easy, actually. And it's a system that you can actually plug in within an hour, not even. And then when you do get those 5-star reviews, I'll even show you how the system can create cool little graphics so it gets posted in your socials. So now you've got social proof. And that will actually, will just get you more customers, because when people are shopping around, especially if they're shopping for services in the local area, maybe you've got a restaurant, right? So maybe there's somebody looking around. They want to buy a book of dinner, right? They're going to be looking at the ones that have a good reputation, like a good reputation, right? So I want to show you how you can do that at scale. It's pretty powerful, and if you're not doing it, then obviously your competitor is chewing you out. So it's a no-brainer. But yeah, would love to show you what else to say. I'm gonna try and keep it really simple, guys. Yeah, I've been going into a lot of detail. Like, I know a lot about digital marketing. I'm a total nerd, and there will be more workshops on those. But this one, I think I'll just keep it nice and simple. Come along. I promise you, an hour tops. Yes, I'll have some offer if it makes sense to grow your business with this strategy. It is really simple, actually. So I'd love to see you there. Just see up, down, somewhere. Click a link, register. It's free to attend, and looking forward to see you there and help you out with your business.